Hi, this is David, DPComm1, and I'm here with, well, got my buddy Cole here, and we've also got
Wisconsin Outdoor Sirens.
And BNSF Lover.
and BNSF Lover does have something to show us.
Yep, so this is my Thunderbolt 1000 AT. It came from West Avenue, near the intersection of West Avenue and Green Bay Streets in La Crosse, Wisconsin. It was near Badger Corrugating Company. So the reason I have this is because around, let's say 2008, 2009, the siren was, or they were redoing West Avenue. So they had all that heavy machinery there redoing the road, and they must have hit the control boxes. So the city was like, we should just disconnect this, the controls don't work, there's no, we don't need a new siren here. So they basically just disconnected it here, and then left it up until May 22nd, 2011, when an EF2 tornado ripped through that neighborhood, right in the sirens alerting area.
And I was in that neighborhood when it went through.
Yes, you were. So then, the horn spun in the wind because the siren did not activate, it was disconnected, so therefore it didn't warn any of the people in that neighborhood of the impending tornado. So the city of La Crosse realized, oh, we should probably get ourselves a new siren because we just let this one, had it up disconnected. Yeah, they realized they need to get a new siren. So this siren got taken down, and then it went up for public auction. And my dad, at the public auction, he bought this for me for $250, and when it's plugged into 120 volts here, the chopper spins. So it's a good deal. You get a working Thunderbolt here, and I'm pretty sure the rotator belt spins good, the belt is bad, but that's an easy fix. And the blower is, I think it would still be good. The chopper works, which is awesome. Probably has still good bearings and brushes. So yeah, we'll do a little noon blast here of the Thunderbolt 1000T here.
Noon whistle time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I used to live a block away from that siren. I used to vibrate my windows when it went off.
Yep, power of a Thunderbolt. So,
Power of a Thunderbolt. Long live the Thunderbolt.
Yep. So here's my Thunderbolt 1000T noon blast here.
So this is DPComm1 with,
Wisconsin Outdoor Sirens.
And BNSF Lover.
thank you so much. This is my update to the West Avenue Thunderbolt.